Hey there, entrepreneurs. This year we are taking our businesses to another level with our financial fitness challenge. In this video, I am talking about the new and upgraded 3-month daily sales ledger. This one will take you to another level. So are you ready to take your sales tracking to another level? Just stay organized with your finances and gain valuable insights on how your sales are performing. Then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Let's get into the details. So let's get into talking about sales. You know, sales is the fuel of a business. If you are not making sales, then your business will not go anywhere. So we'll get into the marketing side in another video, but in this video, let me get something out of the way. The sales of your business is not your money, dear entrepreneur. The sales of your business is not your money. You need to separate yourself from your business. And as a great entrepreneur, you need to put yourself on an allowance or on a salary. Because if every time you sell an item in your business and that is what you're using to buy food for home, pay for fuel and all of that, then the business will not grow. This is why we are introducing a ledger. You need to keep records in your business. You need to have a ledger. It could be like the book that we are selling, or you could have something on your laptop or on your computer. But the discipline to record must be there for you to track your progress and to track your growth. Why should you have a ledger? Number one, it helps you to keep track of your sales. How much is coming in? Are we liquid? You know, it also helps you to know your cash flow, because if there is no cash flow, then you will not be able to meet your expenses at the end of the month. Then thirdly, keeping track of your sales helps you to manage your customers well, to see which products are doing better than others, which customers are more consistent in buying than others. It also helps you to have financial records. Financial records are very important. As an entrepreneur, you need to have financial records for tax purposes, even for stakeholders. For instance, if you want to get a loan, you will have to show your books to somebody to see how well you are doing as a business. So you need to record in a ledger. You need to record. So let's get into the details. So this ledger that we have, the 3-month daily sales ledger, we had some of you complaining to say 1 month is too little. You know, we need to track over a period of time. And I thought 3-month periods are the best. So this ledger has sheets, daily sales sheets, where you record all the monies that are coming in on a daily basis. If you look at the daily sales recording sheets, they are pretty basic, pretty straightforward. It starts with the date, then there's the description of the item, then it goes into the quantity, the unit cost, the total cost. There is also there discounts allowed. If there was any discount, you are able to track it there, and you're able to see, are we giving too many discounts or we're not giving any discounts at all, and you can make those adjustments. And then it gets better. It doesn't end there. At the back of the ledger, there is what we call the monthly sales summary, where you on one page are able to enter every sale, all the sales that you made on a daily basis and your total sales. Then on the right hand, there is sales category, where you are able to enter your products according to the category, and you're able to see which product brought in more sales than the other product. That is just amazing. That is fantastic. Then after the sales summary sheets, we also have profit and loss statements. Did you know that you can do a profit and a loss statement without a computer? It's possible. So these daily sales ledgers are very handy because you don't have to open your laptop to start entering items. A book is something that is always there. It's like a receipt book. Imagine if your receipt books were electronic. It would be a little bit more complicated, especially for the small business owner. I think this one is very practical. So at the back, I was talking about profit and loss statements. The profit and loss statements, it involves your cost of goods. First, your income. You're able to enter your income. And there are 5 sources listed there. For instance, if you have a shop somewhere else, you have a kiosk somewhere else, you have multiple branches, multiple shops, you are able at the back of the book to enter store 1 brought in this revenue, store 2 brought in this revenue, store 3 brought in this revenue, or it might just be one shop, but in that shop you have a grocery section. You have, maybe you provide Airtel money services and you provide something else, and you're able to enter income that came in through the grocery shop, income that came in through Airtel money, income that came in through the Salaula section, and you're able to put your total there. After the total, we get into the cost of goods section, where you write what you spent to provide that. You write what you spent to provide that service, to provide those goods. You're able to enter the stock that was bought, if it was material, if you're making things from scratch, you're able to enter what was spent on material, on labor costs. If you hired somebody to do the work, you're able to enter your labor costs, you're able to enter your transport costs. For instance, if you ordered stuff from Tanzania or Dubai and there was a transport cost, a clearing and a VAT, customs cost, you're able to enter all of that. And now you subtract your income from your cost of goods, and that gives you your gross profit. Then at the bottom there, you will see expenses. You enter now your operational expenses, which includes your rent, your monthly rent. It includes the salaries you're giving to your employees, monies that were spent on airtime, on lunch, on transport. You're able to enter all those in the expenses sheet, and then you subtract your gross profit from the expenses to see if you are operating at a profit or at a loss. So you need to get this daily sales ledger. Let's start the year on a great note. Let's start a year organized, you know. Einstein said, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result is madness. This is what has helped us to grow in our business, to achieve the success that we are seeing. And now you must also, as a small business owner, employ these systems. The reason why big corporations, big companies succeed is not because they had more capital, but it's because they have systems that work. The owner of the business does not have to be there. There are people running the systems in the background, and a sales ledger is a necessary must-have system for your business to go to the next level. So contact us to get this ledger. It will take you to the next level. God bless you, and we wish you success in this year in your business. Thank you.